Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Aobante K50, or Aobante Tablet, 10-inch, 2025 Android 15 tablets. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Large 10-inch IPS HD display. This Android tablet is equipped with a 10-inch HD IPS display. The screen is silky smooth to the touch, the content is presented clearly, and clicks and responds quickly, making it more comfortable for you to view and use. Massive storage. Our Android tablet comes with 18GB, 6 plus 12GB, RAM 128GB ROM and maximum 1TB TF card, not included. Expandable ensures you have a fast app launch and smooth gaming experience. It also comes with pre-installed Google Play Store. You can easily download any needed apps such as Netflix, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and others app. Smooth and fluid experience. With the latest high-performance processor and high-capacity RAM, this tablet is able to handle multiple apps with ease, maintaining a smooth experience whether you're editing documents, browsing the web, or running games all at the same time. Android 15 further optimizes background management to ensure that every app responds quickly. Front 5 megapixels plus rear 8 megapixels. Dual cameras offer more shooting and interaction possibilities for kids. With the built-in easy-to-use camera app, kids are free to be creative and explore the joys of photography, while parents can get a better understanding of their children's daily lives through photos and videos. Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.4. Featuring 6th generation Wi-Fi technology, this Android tablet supports 5G and 2.4G dual-band Wi-Fi, searching for networks quickly and freely to provide a better internet connection with low latency, strong signal, and fast speed. It also comes with a clear 5 megapixels front camera and 8 megapixels rear camera for your daily needs, providing you with great photos and clear video chats. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.